Getting conversions on CPA Grip is a straightforward process. To begin, open your Chrome browser and search for CPA Grip. Click on the first link that appears, which will take you to the CPA Grip website. On the site, you'll discover various industry-leading monetization tools such as Content Locker, Locker, Video Locker, and Offer Walls. As you scroll down, you'll notice the Tools option on the upper right of the screen. Here, you can access the different tools offered by CPA Grip, including Content Locker and Locker. Additionally, you can read about the full support dedication payment scheme and other benefits in the About section. If you encounter any problems or have questions, you can click on the Contact button to access a contact page. There, you'll find a phone number and Skype ID for further assistance. Feel free to send a message by entering your email and writing down your specific problem or question. Next, if you don't have an account already, click on the Register button. This will take you to the registration page, where you'll need to fill in details such as your first name, last name, email address, and publisher type, website, email, GP, or other. You can also provide company information or skip it if not applicable. It's important to note that certain fields indicated with a star symbol are mandatory, such as entering a password and street address. However, adding your website is optional. Fill in your street address, country, time zone, city, region, postal code, and phone number. Additionally, provide your Skype ID and make sure to read and accept all the terms and policies. Once you've successfully created your account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard of CPA Grip. Here, you'll see various options on the left side of the screen. These options include statistics and charts, monetization tools such as Content Locker, Locker, Media Locker, and Offer Wall. Offer tools to explore and promote offers. Post-back tools, referral program payment center, and account settings. Start generating revenue on CPA Grip. Click on the Offer Tools option. Within this section, you'll find various options like Offer Smart Links, SS Offers Feed, JSON Offer Feed, and CZ Offer Export. Click on the My Offers button to proceed. A new window will open, allowing you to select your desired country and category of offers. You can also search manually for specific offers. After selecting an offer, you'll be presented with its details, such as installation requirements and statistics. Copy the offer link and proceed to install the required application or complete the task associated with the offer. To install the application, open your Chrome browser and search for United States WhatsApp groups. Join a group related to the offer you selected by clicking on the Join Group button. If using WhatsApp on your computer, you can join the chat directly. Otherwise, you can follow the instructions on your phone. Once you've joined the group, paste the offer link and write an attractive sentence or title about the application. This will entice people to download and join, generating higher conversions on CPA Grip.